Hello dear traders and investors, today is Friday, August 19th, and I'm here with a fresh market review prepared for InstaForex. Today we can see how my trading ideas based on the strengthening of the US dollar have worked out. It was interesting to observe the gold chart as this asset brought me 4,000 pips in profit. As for the dollar-yen pair, it has tested the first target of 135 shown on the chart, which brought me 3,000 pips. By the way, the dollar-yen pair is very volatile. If we compare it to the euro-dollar pair, the latter brought only 1,000 pips in profit, while the dollar-yen pair generated 3 times as much. Let's start our review with gold. The precious metal has broken below the level of $1,755 per troy ounce and continues to decline. I should note that the situation with gold is very uncertain. If we bet on the strengthening of the US dollar, then gold is very likely to reach the second target of 1,675. However, there were some factors that pushed gold higher in the previous years. Let's say in 2020, gold skyrocketed in the post-pandemic period and then plunged again. Then in February this year, gold surged to the levels of $2,000 per ounce. This means that some emergency events can serve as a catalyst for gold. At the moment, gold is stuck in the range indicated on the chart and tends to move to head for its lower boundary. I assume that the price should follow the trajectory I indicated on the chart, and only from there it may move to the upside in the long term. On the other hand, if we take into account momentum trading, gold has made a pullback and has broken through the level of 1,755. It is very likely that from here the price may form a third wave to the upside. So if you have repeat profits from your short positions on gold, you may now consider going long on the instrument during the US trading session. Besides, while performing in its several stage decline, gold has left some levels that still need to be retested. Let's see how American traders will behave today, as yesterday they were actively selling the asset. For those who still keep their short positions open, your next target may be level of 1,675, especially if you are a risk taker. The next target is 1,444. Now let's proceed to the euro-dollar pair. My trading idea was based on these two pin bars that you can see on the chart. The quote plunged to the downside after the formed units had been released. At the moment, I can't predict the future direction of the pair. There are currently no trading signals in the price action and stop hunting systems. If you were selling the pair, I think it's the right time to take profit now. As for the pound-dollar pair, it disappointed me yesterday. I opened some buy positions from this pin bar and lost nearly 40 pips. The pound is tumbling, so I won't recommend going long on the instrument. The dollar-yen pair has reached its first target and the second is on the way. My trading plan on the yen was actually successful. After a series of pullbacks, there were two pin bars after which the price hit the indicated level. This move has brought me 3,000 pips. We may get another 3,000 if the price tests the local high of this year. It is true that the volatility of the dollar-yen pair is really wild. This is because the US dollar is growing rapidly, supported by the expectation of a more aggressive monetary policy, while the yen is declining at the same pace. So the situation presents a good buying opportunity for us. That's all I wanted to tell you today. See you online soon. Bye bye.